Are you struggling to reach major clients? Tired of answered emails? Your solution is here. Hi, I'm Daniel Wallock, a self-taught marketer who's helped clients like Bookkeeping Central generate over $1 million in new sales opportunities. The key? A focused cold emailing strategy. First, we tailored specific cold emails using reply.io. This approach cleared the path to complex sales processes, allowing access to major accounting firms across Australia. Next, let's highlight 3 powerful benefits of cold emailing. It builds relationships effortlessly. It qualifies leads effectively. It maximizes your sales team's time. What makes my strategy unique? I continuously A/B test my emails with a goal of achieving a 15% to 20% reply rate. This ensures the message resonates and intrigues the prospects effectively. In summary, if you want to grow exponentially, embrace cold emailing as a relationship-building tool, not just a sales tactic. Ready to skyrocket your success? Contact me today to harness the power of strategic cold emailing with reply.io.